Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYDY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here to need to be made. A very disappointing day. This is what we would call a gap and trap in the world of technical trading, meaning on Wednesday the price closed right there, and then this morning, Thursday, the price opened right there, so it opened higher, hence a gap up. Problem is, after the price gapped up, it was basically all bears the rest of the day as the price then got shoved all the way down there. So a disappointing day, and upon doing so, really push it down below some pretty significant levels. So from a house cleaning perspective, I'm just going to get rid of these lines. Yes, those levels pertain, but presentation-wise, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. But the first big update that comes about is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, this level here at 265 was an area of support, but now that the price is broken down below it, as the rule states, you'd expect it to act as resistance, and that's actually exactly what played out right there. Ultimately got rejected right back down from that area. So if there is any sort of attempted bounces now, not necessarily just on Friday, but anytime next week, that initial level again going to be right up around 265. As far as levels of support now going forward, next key level that didn't quite get hit today, but right down there at $1.90 is what I would certainly consider a very important area. So keep a close eye on that. And if the price breaks below there, at that point, things start to get shaky because now all of a sudden you'd be down in this kind of no man's land of that gap area. And I'm not a believer at all that a gap has to fill. So I'm not saying that any gaps are being filled. But like I said, you just want to avoid going down in that area of the chart. But as of right now, the price isn't anywhere close to $1.90. But that is why $1.90 I would consider very important going forward. So still one day left this week. We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.